easy sharing of projects and data has never been as vital to maintaining efficiency and business momentum as it is now, with many more people working from home. We know that everyone has their own particular needs for sharing, so we've developed 4 ways to share that should really add to your productivity. Closed group secure sharing, guest share, open share, and viewer share. The best way to share your project data securely and privately is by adding additional licensed users to your account. You get to choose what license type you give them and whether they can edit data or just view and interact with it. Each user will get their own login to 3DUserNet, and you can manage which projects are available to which users using our Groups feature. If you want to give someone time-limited access to interact with a project without needing a login, you create a state or version of that project data, and then you can use the Guest Share feature. Go to the Data Management area of the 3D view, and when clicking on the Share icon, you enter the person's name, email address, and expiry date for the link. It will automatically send an email to that person with the URL link, allowing them to interactively view what you have done for the time allowed, but they can't make any changes or take measurements. To share a version of your data with a wider audience, for example by embedding it in your website, you can turn on open sharing. This is done in the Edit Project dialog, and you can just toggle a switch to make the version open. It does not mean that it gets published anywhere. It just allows you to grab the URL from the lock button and give it to others to access, or you can embed it in an iframe to put it on a web page. The functionality they have will be the same as a guest share. There's no time limit, but you can switch off the open share whenever you toggle the switch back off. Note that the open sharing option uses the launch version of your project, which can be set in the 3D view. You create a state, activate it, and then click on the Set Launch State button. If you want to give people anytime access to a project to view and take temporary measurements, annotations, and snapshots, without needing a login to 3DUserNet, you can do so with viewer shares. Upgrading to this type of license gives you another toggle for saved states that generates a URL to give richer access than a guest share, with no time limit. I hope this has been useful for you, as we've covered all the sharing options to help you at this time. To inquire about viewer shares, or if you have any other questions, please get in touch and you can access our free trial offer on our website at www.3dusernet.com.